Hi everyone, in today's straight to the point tutorial I'm going to be showing you two different ways on how to pipe one of the most popular flowers for your cupcakes, the rose. Now the other flowers that you can see in this footage are already available on my channel and I will leave a link for those in the description below this video. Remember, if you like what you see, do subscribe and I'll be back soon with an awful lot more new, completely free content. Let's make a start. On the first rose, we will be piping each petal individually. For this, you will need a Wilton 104 piping nozzle. It will look like a teardrop shape. The wider end will always be touching the cupcake, whilst the thinner end will be part of the actual petal. I am doing a two-toned rose, so half of the piping bag is filled with white and the other half is filled with purple. The white part is where the thicker end of the teardrop is, so we'll be touching the cupcake, which means the rose the majority of it will actually be purple. Fill it halfway up, make sure it's tight and you've got full control over the piping bag. Start by adding a small amount of buttercream to the centre of the cupcake. Then, making sure the thick end of the teardrop is placed gently on the cupcake, simply go around in a circular motion. This is the centre of your rose. You now want to add each individual petal. Take your time doing this, and if your buttercream starts to go soft at any point, simply place it in the fridge. I gently squeeze the piping bag and then doing a smooth motion, just going around the centre of the rose, I create each petal individually. I then place this in the fridge, the actual cupcake, for about 5 minutes, just to allow the buttercream to set. All we're going to do now is repeat that process. So we're going around the outside of each individual petal. Once you have piped a petal, you then simply start by piping another one halfway up the first petal so that they all join together. The thick side of the teardrop is touching the cupcake and the thin side is at the top. For a much simpler, faster rose, you will need a Wilton 2D piping nozzle. The piping bag is filled slightly differently. So I have placed some white buttercream around the whole outside of the piping bag and then filled the centre with purple, again only half full. Start in the centre of your cupcake, squeeze gently and simply go to the outer edges. And it really is as simple and as easy as that to create roses for your beautiful floral cupcakes. Happy baking everyone. I really do hope I've helped you again today and I'll be back soon.